So today's topic is pie chart. Why we use pie chart? Anyone?
To show the contributions,
Yeah.
which one is contributing how much values.
Okay. Right. That is also right. But we can show in other chart also, like bar chart, column charts. Like that also we can show. And why specific we show in a pie chart
Here
only.
we can show in like type in the type of percentage also.
Right. So like in pie chart, like there should be not more than five categories. So if there are suppose 10 to 15 categories are, then we need to use the bar chart because it show in a bar chart where we can see 10 to 15 categories in one row, and we can analyze that which category is growing. But like if you want to show like top five, top three, or top six, like any of the categories, and how much portion we are spending, like profit or getting profit from that portion of. So to get that visuals, we are creating the pie diagram. So see here percentage. So you have also created
Sir,
in
share
your.
your screen.
I am not sharing. Oh, okay. Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
So pie chart, how we create a pie chart. So just here is a visual is there, pie chart. So once we create, it asks for what we feel is required. Legend, values, details, will give everyone. What we require, suppose we require category. Category is there. And we want from which category we got the profit. Okay. So see. So here is the legend, technology. So more contribution, more profit is from technology. Then comes the office, then come the furniture. And here it shows the data labels as well. So instead of showing this labels as well as values as well as percentage, we can do the formatting. In pie diagram, we can do a proper formatting for that. How to see how is the percentage is there. So just click on formatting. Here are the values. Okay. So what your font we have decided, we should select that. Arial, it's looking very small. So we can increase the value size from here. If you want bold, make it bold and color should be black. So it will be clearly visible. But here we want only to show like percentage or only we want to show the values. How we will see display unit. Thousand, none, thousand, whatever we want, we can select millions like that. But always we should keep auto because if we apply some filters, that time it should show like thousands, millions like that. Okay. And now the percentage labels what is showing percentage as well as the values which is present for each of the category. What we can show, you can just go what you want, only category name, which will show category name. There are options. See what is the option there, and what is the data value we want. So we can show only data value. What is the percent total? It will show the percent. And 50% is there, 42 and 6% as per the respective categories, whatever we have. Okay. In category plus date value. So when we use this category plus mean value. So if we use this category and a date value, so we need to remove this legend category technology because it's a repetition. Here also you are showing, here also you are showing, and that's not fine. So I will show you how to remove that as well legends. Then category plus percentage or data value and percentage if you want, or only the all details label like for category name plus for the value and plus the percentage, how the percentage is there. So most of the time in the visuals in pie chart, we show the category and the percent total like this. But this should sometimes end user client ask, no, we want legend, but already we are showing here the category name. So we can just go general. Here is uh, legend is there. Just switch off. It will not show the legend names here. Okay. Now you got full data visual in that it's showing category, what is the profit, and what is the percentage as well. Okay. And if you want legends, we can just click on and where you want legend. Center right, top left, it will show here. And like the standard format is top left. Here we most of the time keep the legends if they want. And the percentage symbol, percent we keep and not the names. Okay. And there are many options where you want center right, bottom left. Right. So standard format is top left. Here we keep. Okay. Then text. What text you want? So our we are using for each of these Arial. Bold you want, color should be black. Okay. Like this, we create the chart, pie chart. Any questions on this? Hello. Here you can give background what you want, which is suitable. Like the background we can do. And visual border if you want, we'll go for visual borders. See, it's give the border. What you can the use of pie chart. Hello.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now in category, like there are only three categories as this. So it's looking like very nice. Like three colors only. But suppose there are just we select country. Country is a city. See, a beautiful Rangoli scheme. So it's very difficult to see like which is which one for which country, for which city, what is the profit. Not we can see. So here what we can do, we can apply filter like top five, top three. So like I my business want to see, like my client want to see, which is the five cities where we are making huge profits. So if we do like this, it is not I cannot define. Like I know New York, then Los Angeles, seat. Like this it's showing. So it not look good. So what we can do in filter page, just we need to add profit is there. Top N is there. Top five. Top five. We need to add value. Just visual, add filter. Next one. I will show you this one later. Like that, we can create top five and out. When we go to the filter topic, that time I will show. Now, don't know what happened. Okay, got it? Like that, we can create the pie charts. Any question on this pie chart?
Yes, sir.
Yes, what is the question?
No,
Mostly pie chart is used for the region. So, like, there are three regions: APEC, EMEA, and US. So, US timing is the evening night shift. APEC timing is our morning time, like from 7 to 4 p.m., 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. And EMEA. EMEA is like afternoon shift, UK shift, 1 to 10, 1 p.m. to 10 p.m. For that, most of the time we use this, like for region, segment. So we have region as well, right? Here in our table, region, yeah, region is there. See, west, central, south, east. So most of the pie we use for the region or for the segment as well. So we have segment as well in our database. Segment. Home office, consumer, corporate. From where the profit is more. From consumer or from corporate or from home office. Okay.
Consumers.
Yes, right. Consumer. Now if you hover on this, segment is consumer, profit is the sum of profit. But we need to do some cosmetic changes. Like just click on the visual. Here our segment is there and values is there, sum of profit. Okay. And if you over sum of it's not look good, so like sum of profit, what it is. So just we can double click here, go, just remove this, rename the values, profit, and just hover. So it will show segment consumer and profit is this. It will not show it is a sum or like that. Okay. So like that we should to rename. And now it's profit. And if we want to show average or count and anything, any of the aggregations, just click on this profit, right click, you will see sum, average, minimum, maximum, count this thing, count, like that you can show. Now you want to see like, what is the minimum profit from each of this. See, there it's not so, but in table we can see. Then average, then maximum, like that it will show. Okay. So if I convert into this table, this is the maximum profit. Okay. I want minimum. See what is minimum is. So if you want to see what is the minimum, maximum profit is there, like that in not visuals, visuals will show the contribution and percentage. But in table view, it's clearly mentioned what is the minimum profit for each. It's in all minus. What is the maximum? Maximum this much. Okay. What is the average? Average is 2.5, 25.84, 30.86. Then sum is this much. Okay. Distinct count. See how many times this is repeated. Consumer repeat for 4K, 2K, then 1K. Like that. Got it? So by this, we can create a pie diagram
yes, sir.
and we can do modification, cosmetic changes, background color, hair color. Now, suppose the requirement came from the business, like from a client, like this color is not like me, but I want consumer should be in some of the any of the color. Change the color. I don't like this. You know how to change this. Then we can go slices are there. Then you can change whatever color is of consumer's blue. Suppose you want consumer should be mm, dark, corporate should be little darker, home office should be blue. Like that we have created. Like this blue theme we have created. On that basis, we need to create the chart. So we can change the color. Here are the colors for slices. Each of the slices. Okay. And again, like now it's outside. Most of the time we keep outside, but sometimes there are multiple visuals we have created, and we need to make small visuals for each of them. So that time, so like this we have to do. So then what time we can do? Boolean should be inside. Okay. Values we can reduce. So, can you see? Display unit. 1000 is there. Background off. Okay. Like that. But see, in this color, our data labels is not getting seen very clearly. So what we can do, just we can change the font color. Here we can do black. Sorry, white. Okay, these are the cosmetic changes. Here we can see which columns we have selected here. From here we can do the cosmetic legends. If you want legends, we can keep off. And if you open this, here we can text, then title, segment. There is a segment showing. You can turn off, turn on, like that. Change the color of the slice, whichever is want. Data labels on, off, like that. Okay. And in general, there are properties like how what's with height, padding, everything. Like we should not touch because it's get like automatically it's take the size of that. Then title, if you want profit by segment, here we can just say profit by on count, profit by segment. And it should be Arial, bold, black color, center. Okay. And again, if you want any subtitle, you can add that as well. Segment price. Okay. And we're taking areas, bold, it's color black. Segment, but now I just taken segment wise. But if you want anything to be added, like the end user can know what is our purpose for creating this user, we can update that as a subtitle as well. Title, subtitles. Okay. Any question on this, Pi?
No, sir.
Same is like donut as well. Earlier pie chart was showing, but like everyone wants something to be new visuals should be there. So this donut has come into existence. So, like this donut. Same, it's like a pie only. But here what happens? If you want, the value should be so seen. What is the value? Consumer value. Whatever we select, it should be shown into the visual as well. So there is one we can select one card here. Card we have selected. We have just taken the profit. Okay, this is the sum of profit. This is the advanced one I am showing right now. Just lost my changes. The background should be more with the right ones. Vision. But you can have it off. So what the difference between pi and donut? Like in the center, we can keep any of the values and just we click on this. See, it's the segment profit. There we can see what is the profit for that. So like that, it is mostly used for a testing purpose. I will show you by on Monday one dashboard we have created. Just a second, I will show you if it's now there. Mm, Just a second, I'm opening one dashboard to show you how we can.
Is there any difference between the pie chart and the donut chart?
Yeah, that's I'm showing you. Let me share my screen. So now, able to see? Are you able to see my screen? Hello.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here, can you see this donut charts in pie chart? We cannot show the percentage or whatever the values in the center, right? Here
Yes,
we
sir.
can. Okay. So here what we can see, just
Yes,
we
sir.
if we select any of the categories and how much planning we have done completed. See, planning is completed, design is completed. Now development is 67% is done. Then the testing, then the CAT certification will be done. Like then the what is the budget, what are the challenges, deadlines, what is the start date, end date, project. Like that we can see. For that donut chart is used most of the time for the project managers. Now select this. Yeah. All these layers complete is 100%. Now testing is 50%. Then we will go to the certification. See how dynamically it is. Next is there.
So what is this overall progress?
Overall progress, I will show you. See, now all this 4% is completed. Here is certification is level percent is complete. But apart from this, there are server challenges are there. See, task overdue. This task should be completed, but it is overdue like more 10 days with store. So on this, we have calculated this overall percentage. Like how is the progress for
The
this particular category?
which chart is that, sir? Is that in chart or something?
Sorry,
Sir, is there any, I mean, like pie chart and donut chart, is there any chart or,
this one.
yes, sir.
Yeah, this one is a gray chart. I will show you that. As well. And if you select all the category, so it will show like for all of the projects, whatever I have, these are my projects, right? One, two, three, four, five. So overall project progress is 70%. And for each of the process, process, or we can say projects, planning, designing, development, it shows. Okay, like this.
Yes.
Okay. That was my projects which I create. See, can you see here is the go chart? I will show you that as well. So for this purpose, this donut chart is used to show the percentage how much completion we have done. And pie chart we use like how much portion he has taken, how much percent of portion we have got, like profit or sales or discount, as per the region wise, segment wise, category wise as well. But here one main thing is like 4 to 5 categories can be seen, can be shown. It looks good. Otherwise, you see not a very good rangoli. Like if we take many of the colors, and I will give you
Yes.
this segment. When we take city, so many color will come. See, it will not look good. So for that, we can take the column charts. See, like that we can take. Okay. Any
Yes.
questions?
No, sir.
Okay.